Annoying. Woo! To just wake you up. This was just to wake you up. All right. Well, I don't want to know the details of it, but anyhow, uh, we can hear you breathe. We can hear your fan. We can hear when you just uh, when we can hear when you are annoyed. I can tell you that. Yeah. You got that one right. Oh, man. Okay, so we did it again, guys. We did it. Successfully managed to do it. We did it again. All right. So okay, so today I don't have. It's Cuba. I didn't have water for last 3 days. Water is back, and now internet is gone. So I think we are happy. And now I'm on 4G. I'm not able to stream, but I'm going to record locally, and I'm going to update it a little bit later today. Yeah. Okay, so where's the list? My head is a little bit all over the place. So Sam, you have a lot to do today. All tutus are gone, yeah? You saw that, right? Oh yeah, yeah. The tutus are all gone, so you have lots of reversals, including our baby AMC. So AMC is for the long, obviously, but I'm not gonna be like that guy to just short or long AMC because it's AMC. But I have reasons to do that today. Anyhow, have you checked Neo? Yeah, Neo. Well, hey, you there? Okay, Neo looks good, especially that I mean it's gapping outside of the baby bar, but so I'm expecting it drop that back down on the at the open. If it rips, okay, I'm gonna go jump on and go long. But the idea is long to go long on this stock, and the magnitude would be 4417, the 200 moving average, which is outside of the motherboard because motherboard high of today, high of pre-market is already the magnitude of the motherboard. So our next target would be our next stop would be the 200 moving average. So, you know, you know, Neo. I'm a set. I'm a set trailing set alerts. Snap. What's that? I'm gonna put my phone on silent. I'm gonna make the same mistake again. Alright, okay. Alright, so Snap, I see Snap as a beautiful long, but it's not going to be that powerful. I don't see too much of a magnitude for it.
Continuation is trying to complete the 122 at full.
Yeah. Yeah, so I did with the compound candles. You will have today and yesterday as a the leg, the bullish rev part of the candles. But ATM are gonna go in based on 2-1-2 bullish reversal. So that snap, and we are good. That's the best price. I love it when we are stuck in the in where we are. Like that's my bread and butter price and formation to go in.
Oh, okay. Oh wow.
All right. So
I have XPAT looks like the next short.
let me see.
Looking for
Yeah.
fail 3.
Yeah. It is already. Yeah. It's already going through.
I'm only gonna play that short.
Yeah. There is this thing. 200 MA is straight playing right there, and I'm going to use 200 MA on this one because apparently this stock is respecting 200 MA for last 6, 7, 8 touches. So it respects the 200 MA. So I think that actually it's a good place to go long if well, I don't like too big gap ups. I'm gonna go either go long on the stock if it breaks the 39.07 or on the rebound and retouch of the 37.40 at that bottom close of yesterday. So
Well, even if you look at the last few days, if you look at the last 212 down, it gapped down, and it still bounced off. It bounced off the daily VWAP, but then the next day made a candle, but then it just completely gave everything back, and it just sunk. And yesterday made a 1. So I just feel like the month and the week are red. That the only way to play this, and if you look at the resistance, you have the 200, you have other MAs above it. I'm really thinking that this is gonna sink.
Yeah.
I'm thinking you're gonna get like a bounce in the morning, and it's gonna sink.
yeah. Okay.
So I have it as a
Short. All right. So for me, I'm looking at it in a different way. It has it has room to $1 to drop, but the way that I see it, the bar on weekly is back into Hulk. So I not only assume it gives me signal that this thing has bullish power in it, because the price was rejected and no one liked the drop down. Nobody liked it, so it's going back up. It's back in Hulk. So based on that, I consider this more bullish. But you're right, maybe it drops back down. So that's why we are going to short it lower than pre-market low, and then we are going to buy it back at 37. Oh, what a number! So it's long for me anyway. I will either go long on a U-turn, or I will just go long on at the open, right out of gate. Tesla, I don't think I'm going to touch Tesla because it's Tesla. The price is too big. The price range is too big, and I know it moves good, but the price range too big consumes all of my buying power. So I have my experience is better to go with something a bit less with a cheaper price. Activision, they have
That's a great short.
yeah, so that's what I want to say. Fundamentally, there is lots of bad news around this thing, and people are actually walking out from Activision for sexual harassment and for mishandling the case of sexual harassment and all of this stuff. But this is a one and done short. Like it's a dead short. It's gonna fall from. As much as I'm in love with their products, and I play Warzone, Call of Duty, but it is what it is. So ATVI, Activision. So skills. Skills looks like a long. It looks like a long. We have a low 88, the low 94. Well, actually, on weekly we have a 2-2 rev, and it failed to go lower than low of the last week. And what we get here is so eventually on daily we have higher lows, and the formation is 212. So I consider baby as a beautiful long, and I love the price range. It's the price is so good. $14 if it moves for I mean it just have 94 cents of fucking ATR, but from 90 cents even 50 or 60 of it is enough for me. MS looks like a short. Although weekly is long.
I just took MS off, but I don't like it.
Oh man, that's what I want to say. I really don't like. I don't like it neither. I'm just giving a pass on it. Huh? Ask me later. Qualcomm is holding. Oh, look at
Yeah,
that.
it's really gapping.
Yeah, I don't like it. Nah. $4 of gap? Nah. No, I don't like it.
It might get bought up. Same with PayPal.
I guess it's gonna come back down a little bit, at least to 144.78 or 80.
Yeah, QCOM is hard to tell, but PayPal, you might get it sunk pretty bad. Probably had bad earnings.
Uh-huh.
So people might buy it because it's such a low price.
Yeah, definitely. That's the news, brother. You're right. 16, 15. That's the news. Yeah. No, I'm not going to touch neither of them. I'm not going to touch neither of them, and that's just my personal. What the fuck, bro? Salute. It's alright. BTU from yesterday. BTU is in a range and it's doing a whole bunch of sandwiches on weekly, but it made the 3 and I'm going to go short on this thing. Yeah.
So I was gonna say, that's kind of what it looks like, but you're going against time frame. Actually, no, the weekly spread.
No, we are not against time frame continuity. We are actually at the top of the broadening formation. The broadening formation starts from 14 of June, and you can draw it yourself. It starts from there for me. So you can see that you're at the top of the broadening formation, and yeah, it already made the sandwich up there, and then it's dropping now. So on daily, for me, it's a short. Especially that I'm expecting a PMG, which eventually, if someone's swinging this shit, is 822. But for me, it's gonna be 952. Not more than $1. What's the ATR this thing? Yeah, $1.29.6. Yeah, there you go. So, yeah.
I feel like it's gonna drop down to like somewhere around like $9.
Yeah. Actually, we are. It's a fucking 10 something dollars stock. So $10 is gonna be a very strong level first. So around 10.05, 10.10, 10.06, 10.02, around this area, I'm gonna get out. All right. So that will be the price. I'm not going to just give a chance to $10 to bounce off.
I'm gonna play the opposite.
Mm.
The opposite. If it falls to $10 and breaks $10, then I'll short it.
Oh, good.
But if it falls, if it falls to $10 and it just bounces, then I won't. But I think.
Uh-huh.
But
Uh-huh. So $10. Okay, the break of $10. All right. Okay. So pins, I'm not. Well, first of all, fuck the market maker of pins. It's a choppy stock, but I never had good chance to trade this thing. Even if it falls, it just always wicks me out, rips my face, and then it goes to that direction. But I'm just hoping that this time it just goes without. I'm going to go long on this thing, and it's already too much though. Yeah, fuck it. Pins. Too
It's
many
a
plays.
3-1. It's a 3-1 play right now. Yeah.
Yeah. 3-1.
I don't know.
3-1 on what? Weekly, you mean?
Daily.
In which universe you are getting to the conclusion that's a 3? The previous candle, the previous one. What's your price?
On the 27th.
Oh, you're right.
That's
I was
the
eyeballing
spots
it.
on this list.
You're right. I was eyeballing it, and because of this line here, I didn't see. Yeah, you're right. It's 4 cents because of 4 cents. No, 2 cents. It's now it's that 3. That is strong move inside. That's a long. Yeah, that's a long. That's a badass long. That pins all in the UPS. Have you ordered your stuff from Amazon? Because UPS it looks to be angry. That joke didn't sink. Yeah, a 2-1-2 bearish continuation. This trash is dying. Nah, I don't like UPS. The price point is high. The ATR doesn't worth it. It's just $4 for $190 stock. I'm not liking it. AMC moves like $4 and it's $30 stock. It's like magic. It is a Neo of last year. Neo was like this. I'm still like this. It moves a lot. INTZ. What the fuck is that? INTZ. Or whatever crap, whatever junk that this thing is a 2-1-2 bullish continuation. I'm going to buy this thing. Let me see the open. It's choppy. It has a choppy open though. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't chop me out.
Got built on INTZ.
Okay. Alright. So by accident, instead of alert, I got in with 29 shares. INTZ. What the fuck? And what's the ATR of this thing? $1.36 on a 6. Look at this. On no, actually, the real ATR of this thing is this stock actually moves. A $5 stock with the ATR of $1. Mamma mia. Okay, let's see what does it do to me today. Alright. I can get out of 29 cents. Should I? The commission that I paid in pre-market is $5 on 29 stocks. Can you believe that?
That's not true. That's not possible.
Yeah. Yeah, well that's what I paid.
Buy 290 or 2,900 shares.
No, it's 29 shares. Believe it or not. They are charging 17 cents per share as commission in pre-market.
So
Yeah, so I'm done with the list. Yeah, it's 17 cents. So I got AMC, Neo, Snap, and XPEV and pins go to the long side for long, and A Activision and what's BT Agu Bagu? What's the name of this thing? It is Peabody Energy what? Energy drink or Peabody Energy Co-op? All right, so Pikachu. Yeah, so yeah, that's for me today, and yeah. That doesn't look that bad. What about Brent? What about you?
Sorry, I was on mute here. Neighbors are re-roofing their shingles today.
Yeah.
I think I might look at Snap, AMD, and Neo.
That's what I want to say. AMD from follow through day.
NKLA maybe for a short, since there's some bad news about either CEO or whatever having fraud charges.
That's like good news in the stock market.
Yeah,
They apparently love that shit.
bad news, whatever you want to take it.
Yeah, I'll be on mute for a second.
So it might be kind of worth watching just to see what how people think about that. Even if it's just a buck move.
I'm liking Mara as a short too.
Mara.
All right. Okay. So Barbara said hi from Belgium, and she just informed that she has spilled water on the her laptop. So you know.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Sorry guys, 1 second. One
Yeah.
second.
Yeah.
Sam's guy.
Yeah.
So tell her to throw the laptop in a big bag of rice.
Yeah, that's exactly. Oh, you're laughing? You know how many times I have done that? Yeah. Yeah, it works. Yeah, so
Sometimes you can get away with.
yeah, if it doesn't get to the bottom part, yeah, and she has a what's called the air version of this laptop, so it's waterproof already, but I don't want to lose the laptop until the day or next week that she changes the keyboard, because the keyboard has a problem anyway.
Right.
Okay, so between all of my stocks, I'm loving AMC, and Neo and Snap, and Activision. And this one, the one that I like the most.
Activision for sure. What's their catalyst today?
They just have bad news because of the lawsuit, and
Alright.
and you know it's a pack situation. Even me as a trader, you don't believe me. Yesterday that the news of mishandling their case came out, I didn't play the game. Like everyone hating it. Yeah. So all right, let's go long. Let's show this. All right, so I'm pretty done for making the watch list. and the highlight of the news today is that they finally took a photo of the black hole that proves the black spot of the black hole, and and Einstein was right. That genius, fuzzy hair scientist.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
yeah,
Was saying what?
yeah. E equal to, that has nothing to do with it. That's one of his theories that's been proven. It's the general relativity, that it's about gravitational pullbacks of black holes is so enormous that they wrap even energy of the whole black hole back inside of them, and it bends the formation of light. So it's been proven that's true.
Yeah, but they knew light bends already.
Oh no, they have proof. It was a theory, and
Oh.
now it is not. It is true. It's not just a theory anymore. You cannot say a relativity theory. It's not really a theory anymore. It's a law. I mean, it takes some time to exercise it to prove it, but yeah.
With that Hadron Collider.
Well, the one in Switzerland, that's fucked. That's messed up. There's like lots of like skeptical like information about that.
Is there?
Some weird ass shit. Well, I mean, what they're doing is they're trying to recreate the Big Bang.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, that's beyond human capacity, in my opinion. Like, it's beyond.
Well, it's like
Anything
atomic
you
bomb.
ever
It's like
do.
detonating an atomic bomb in a lab. I'm going to just have a little nuclear explosion in my lab, and it's gonna be alright, no problem. And then the result gonna be dire. That's how I see it.
Like, how do we know, like, hadrons colliding like that won't create a black hole?
Well, you haven't heard anything from it for a while, so apparently they haven't made black yet.
Yeah. Like a baby that doing something bad and being quiet.
He's like, we'll all know when something bad comes out of that.
Maybe.
Maybe Activision so short. I mean, even if I look at the 1 minute of it and pre-market, it's just giving me short signals. Okay. Oh man. So we're good. Alright, guys. You have a good one. And
Alright.
yeah, we are all set. We are all set, and talk to you, gentlemen. And Ali is here. I'm gonna be talking to her. So there is no future formation of the verb. I will talk to you. I'm talking to her already. So I will be talking to you guys later today. We do a recap if anyone is around. A quick one, and yeah, that's about it. If you want to recap.
Sounds good, buddy.
Yeah. Take care.
All right.
Okay, see you guys.
See ya.
All right. Goodbye.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
La pregunta que te quería hacer.
Okay.
EMs no por los dividendos.
Who's that?
MS.
MS. Okay, so look at MS. First of all, when you want to check it, check last couple of days. The open. The open is choppy on this thing. Even though yesterday was a one. Yesterday was one. It's not so reliable. But you go to the day before. You go the day before. It's just all of them is choppy. And then look at the pre-market. It doesn't have pre-market print. Like fuck that. Who is trading this? No one is trading this stock even in pre-market. Even today, no one is trading it in pre-market. It looks like a long. Pre-market is forming to the bullish side, but not so keen of looking at this. I don't want to spend energy on something that I don't know what gonna do, right? I want something that has parciality. All right. So although I'm recording, I'm going to update this better to speak English, but it's okay. So got AMC, Neo, Snap, XPEP for long. XPEP is the only one that's actually moving to the upside. Okay, market open. Okay, in 1 minute. The only one that's going up right now, and BTU is the one that just made a move 20 cents to the lower side. I'm not gonna trade in pre-market now. It's just $25 for 29 shares. It's not fair. It's not fair. I'm just paying $1.17 of commission per stock. Why? I could easily avoid this, but it's $5. I just can remove it from the trade watch list. It's okay, no problem. And 20 seconds to go. All right, play some music. All right, let's see what to do.
Not built on
All
high
right. Okay, market is open. New is the only one that's moving to the right direction. Oof. I just missed 20 cents of the move. And drop back down, most probably. Activision is going down. I'm just gonna Activision. I'm going to Snap. In Snap. What happened? Oh fuck. New. Alright, so I got one out on Snap. Activision short is not working. Neo is not moving. That's not a good beginning. Market is not doing good. XPEF. What XPEF is doing? Alright, XPEF is going to the downside, yeah. Oh, fuck. That's a very bad beginning, AMC. Neo is doing good. AMC ready to go long.
Not built on AMC.
Alright, who's moving? Okay, everything is upside down. So my hypothesis about direction was not right. Oof. Alright. I'm 800 shares in NEO, 800 shares in AMC. Let's see who moves. There you go. That's more like it. Neo wicked me out. Alright. What's going on? Oh fuck, snap. Oh. Yeah, let's see. so let's see if here AMC breaks the HOD. We'll go in with 1,000 shares. 3, 2, 1. It's it. Let's go red, and then we go green. Go for the break. There you go. Now it's the chance. Now, if it goes green now, and it dismisses the hammer, for me that's a signal to go back in. So XBEV. Yeah, now XBEV is moving. Okay. AMC is now moving. Now you go. There you go. Give me a break. All right. Look at AMC and watch out. What's it? 28, 28. If this closes green and it doesn't give a 2-2 rev, it's a go-go. It looks like it's a go-go. Yeah. All right. So I'm 2,200 in NEO profit, or 1,700. Ooh, that's nasty. Alright, it's gonna push. Gonna push back up. It's a good breakout. Yeah, let's have it. 05 prices are saying 08, 4, 7, 9. It's a breakout, it's a go up. It may reverse this from here. Alright, it's a go. Alright. AMC. Oh man. Oh fuck, AMC. Nail.
Like this, make it pop like this, make it not like this, make it drop
Let's see. So Xperia is still stock. I don't like it. It should just go. AMC the same as AMC is smooth. So just rip back up. 39 is holding. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go back upside. Okay, whatever. It's negative, I think. 52 negative. Oh. We're back in if it closes green. If it closes green, I'll go back in. Okay, let's see. I went 2-1 to the upside. There you go. So I'm thinking about 40. This round it gonna rip to that price. Alright, 800. It's gonna push. There you go. Okay, we're good. Fix the price. Yeah. Rip, baby. No, come on now. Look at XPEV. I want to just go all in this one, but yeah. It's really nasty. This pullback is ugly. Very ugly. No. Ah, come on. I want to close over 1,000. Yeah. C'est fini. 971. But I could just make much more, but it went 1,700, but it just came back down twice. I'm making 1,261 before commissions. After commissions, 971. And now it's ripping. Of course. All right. So let's recap, but let me reduce the music. There you go. So I mean, this is a go-go. I want to get something out of it again. Okay, I'm done. All right. But let's see. Right here, let's see what we have. Alright, let's see what happens. This one. This is a 5 minute, it's a go-go. I just need we have a new candle forming in 1 minute, so. And it's 10 o'clock. The first 30-minute candle is going to close. This is what we have. A 3. So a pullback up to around here is accepted. Also here. I should have used this one as my out. So I would be very much looking at any 2-1-2 bullish reversal or 1-2-2. Let's see. Okay, XPEV, it's time to short XPEV. Okay, 92. So as new. Let's see if we can break this area this time. AMC, okay, AMC to the upside. Alright, neon short. I entered on a on a shit. I entered on a 2-2. Sorry, entered based on a reversal. Here it showed that here is the after here there was a short. Market doesn't have stamina to go high, and these prices are rejected. So if here it breaks here, I'm going to short it heavier. I mean, manage this trade. I want to go long on AMC, but je sais pas. Neo better to short. Snap. What happened to Snap? Yeah, of course. A short should wick me out and then drop. Yeah, of course. Neo. I didn't close XBB negative, did I? No, I didn't. $994. I want to close over 1,000 and it doesn't work. AMC for long. Let's see if it forms. We're gonna have this candle close in 32 seconds. Another 212 up. This looks like a PMG. Looks like PMG here. Alright, let's see what happens here. No. Now ATB looks like a good short now. Alright, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Well, let's go. Alright, there you go. Very close. There you go. No. 857. What's our price? 23. I want to break. Come on. There you go. This is more like it. Come on. Okay, it's gonna pull back most probably. I don't like the way that's breaking. Breakout should happen rapidly. Not this. I'm gonna be out. 93. Seriously? AMC back to the top. Oh, it's a spine move. course XPEP gonna drop after I close my position. Of course this trash gonna drop. Oof. BTU BTU I missed $472 just on that. I didn't lose, I just missed. It's gonna do some move and then eventually drop back down, but of course all of you after I close it's gonna drop down, of course. This would be an instance of on 5 minute. On 5 minute, it's I consider this one as a 2-1 2 down fail, but it's gonna become 2-2 rev. That's my idea. It's not yet, but that's the idea I got in with. And also pivot machine gun to go to here. That was my TP. Well, this looks like a fall. It looks like a fall. Yeah, most probably. Oh, okay, it's $15 in, with the idea of getting out of it like another 30 cents, another 40 cents. Come on. Okay, I'm out. No problem. Neo is a good long here. Oops, that's bad. That's very bad. Just like that. I didn't want to take this with too big of a risk. down. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Okay. These are none of my bread and water trades, but it's just why not? A good chance. If it closed lower than close up yesterday, I will go to short, but not at the moment. I'm most probably gonna go higher. I'm looking for a long from here. I will add, when it breaks here, I will add again. Just like that. Low pre-market is holding. Alright, that's the idea. Alright, so go along from here, yeah. Get a break. $2.59. You can give me a break up to here. Yeah, lock in profit. Lock in profit. I will close about 1,000. Oh, that's 350. Or 400. Push, 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 push. Okay, 14 is my price. Go. Oh, bruh, come on. 14, 18, there you go. I got lucky in 1,000. Lucky in 1,000. Alright. Yeah. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, 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 bam. It's either go back, rip or fall. But obviously rip. Okay, so here what I entered was based on on surface of the Hulk, I entered by 2 up. Magnitude is up here. So but I'm considering HOD as my magnitude. So we'll see how far it's gonna go. I most probably won't hold long, but we'll see. This is not going. If you wanted to go and be looking for a breakouts like it's a go. Coming back is a no. It's a go. It was a go. Alright, I'm done. سفيني تمام شد خلاص حبيبي. What's that? Termine. What else language? What else like French سفيني فارسي خلاص no فارسي تمام شد Arabic خلاص Spanish you termine. Yeah, that's enough. Alright. Toodles. Okay, let's recap here. Are you in trades? You wanna come here? Okay. Yeah, alright. So alright, what we did here was AMC we were long bias. So what I did, I let the market do its shizzle. When this thing formed, I wanted to go long, but I didn't like the shadow down here. Also, I didn't like the shadow up here. So what I did, I let the market drop down. On a red to green move of the candle, I went in, and I got all out here with 2,272 shares. So, and then I anticipated the long. So what I did, this is a 2, 1, but what I didn't like was that this one gapped down. I was expecting a little bit of gap up, higher than this. So I could go in down here, but I didn't. So I didn't. I wanted to go. I could go in this one, but I didn't like the doji form, and it's an indecisive formation. So with the entry here, I went in, and again went in because I was pressing the my apologies couple of times, like burn in hell. Like look at Neo, burn in hell. Anyway, so I went in, I got out. This one costed me minus like $40 because the out alone is 1,000. No, it's it cost me $9 because it was minus $4 plus $5 of commissions. So it's minus $10. But then I hear what I did. Well, I got in, added heavy, and I was standing behind this. So eventually, if this candle broke here, I was here ready with full power to go short here on the break. Because for me, it would be, look at the 5 minute, it would be a break to the upside, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 to the downside, then continuation. Now we're getting out of the range of the mother bar, right here. But guess what? It didn't. And the volume here, look at the volume. It's a small candle, smaller than this. It's a doji, but it is equal to all of the others. It means there is still power behind it. So what I did, as being me, I waited for 1 cent of going down, but it didn't. It opened and ripped. The moment that 1 cent it went to green, I went in with all in 2,500, and I got out here. So one other thing that I did was I wanted to go long again. I was expecting here that this is a 2, 1. I got out here, all here, right? So I went in again. After it hit my stop, I stopped. Then it went pull back up above this line. This line would be the magnitude, official entry of 2-2 reversals for the 2-2 rev. But the thing is, it always does a pullback and then goes. When it breaks, it pulls back, then it rips. Always. 99% of the time. So what I did here was basically I went back in long again, and you can see it ripped. I really didn't like the formation of the, you know that, I don't like the high wicks at the top. If it's a break, it should break with no wicks. But it did, so I got out here. AMC, last trade AMC, and I did the same. So I went in, then I got out. I showed you that guy from Twitter. That you remember that. So it went back in, and I just got out. There is no way why I should get out here, but there is a reason. The mental price. From here to here is almost 30 cents. Forget about the candles formation. Think of the price. Price wise, 30 cents is too much for me to have trading stuff. I get out if it's 30 cents. So what I did here, again, I anticipated here that it's gonna be a 2-1-2. And if you listen to the recording, I'm saying that I'm anticipating, I'm not acting, I'm not reacting. I'm just anticipating, and then it obviously dropped down and wicked me out. So then Neo was long bias, but when after it did this nasty thing at open, I thought of, okay, let's see this. There's a 1 minute range. It didn't go from the other side. It's going out from the other side. Look at the all flat bottoms, and look at the volume. This volume, pre-market nothing. This volume, the heaviest. But then we have this volume, which is the first biggest short volume. Look at this. This is the highest, biggest short volume. We get here, so we get stair stop volume, and me being me, I hit the short. It went down, quiet, not much. It's just 10 cents. But I was just like, you know what? We are in a very sensitive mode, sensitive position. If it goes back in now, I'm not gonna hold on to this one. It really doesn't make any sense to hold on to, because it could be a wrong trade based on wrong ideology, but market is not gonna behave like that. Because if it wants to break, it will break. Going back is not an option. So it wicked, obviously. So I anticipated, all right, so what we have here? We have one stair step of volume here. I didn't get in. The next step to go in would be the next candle. The next one to go in would be the break of the HOD, which I did, which is very wrong. You know, break is to just go. It's not to go back. So it goes back, I'm out. Again, I went back out. But these ones are like big trades. Like 500 here. We have 800 here. Just the commission. Just the commission on this one, 834 multiply is $4 just here. The other one is 555 multiply is $2. It's $8 just the commission, disregarding the negative. This one has 65, this one has 80, 15 cents. This one alone is costing me like $100. Just that trade, So anyway, again, what I did around here, the same ideology I did here, but I was super late. Because guess what? If it's going, if you have a pullback, a fake out at the top, you're gonna start the volume in, right? Here, this is a short. This is the entry. Not here. Here is taking out profit, and look what happened. Exactly, profit taking happened. So I didn't touch it. Then I anticipated a long, because guess what? Look here. Just one candle broke the Hulk, one candle, and then it instantly started to go back in. So I couldn't go back in this one because we are still too close to the entry. I went back in this one with a stop of this one here, but it's not always I let my stops to be hit. Imagine here, my stop was here to go in, but I said that if it goes back inside, starts to drop, I'm gonna get out. I didn't want to get out. I dropped the mouse. I dropped it because this mouse it releases. So I released the stop here, and I got out by accident. My stop was down here. So here I got in again, and I got out all here, and you can see what happens. Look at the size of this trade. Yeah. So offshore here. 2,569. Right now, if I get out right now, it is over 800 shares. 2,609 multiply 41 cents. It's another $1,000 just here right in front of us. But I just got out. I told you this, I'm done. And hold on. Sam always says that. Alright, so alright, I cannot pause this, so let's recap quick. So I had the idea that it's gonna go long. I went long. It stopped me out instantly. I'm happy with it because I cannot.
Okay.
Okay.
Tú estás muriendo esta tarde. Me cago en la puta de tu madre, ¿me oíste? Y yo estaba intentando entrar al mío y me sacó 2 veces.
We will take it. Let's finish this video, then we will do a review of yours. Okay, so what I did here, I tried to go long, and no, it's a good one actually. But anyway, so I tried to go long on again here, but here I hit it hard. Here I hit it hard, and 789. And it was a big loss. Like it was 700 something on $40 is like 400 something. No, 360. Yeah, I can actually see here. Snap 345. So then then I did another try. So like, yeah, okay, so here what we did, it just broke, went back in, touched the Hulk, and then it went up and it got rejected instantly. This is the same situation, so this is a good short here. But I was busy making money with AMC and NEO. Actually at that time I was busy losing money with NEO and AMC. So here I didn't touch it, I let it break the LOD. Obviously it breaks again, touches back and drops back. So on the back drop back I got in, added, and I got out of the heavy loss here because I think this position was big too. Oh, come on. So here I got out with no, it's not that big, 390, maybe $56 loss. Well, anyway, so I didn't touch it anymore, and that's about it. If you look at the 5 minute, you have a 3 here, three continuation. It's supposed to be a long one, but it wasn't. So anyway, so also this one should be 1 hour. Okay. Okay. So then we go to XPEV. XPEV, I did such a stupid thing when I was trading. So XPEV, I got in here, and before I even see the trade, I got up because of the spread here. Because of the spread here, look, I got in at 51.40, 10 cents of spread. I got in 10 cents of spread at the time. I didn't even see the trade. Got in, got up, and obviously it ripped after that. So if it didn't rip, my out would be here. My out would be here, which would make it around, what's that, 40? 13, $130. This one, but this trade loan costed me around maybe 200, I think. XPEV. XPEV. Ah, 52. So, but this is not understand. I don't get it why it's like that, because this one is the $52. Apparently, the first one came out positive. Like, the first one is $31 positive. I don't know how. I don't know what happened over there. But anyway, $52 negative is this one. Because look at this. I always say that a quick get out. We go get out quickly when it's wrong. But it's not always depending on the candle. You can see that candles represent the price. But imagine a puzzle, okay? Pieces of puzzle represent the puzzle. Pieces of the puzzle are not the puzzle. You get what I'm saying? So price exists, candles represent the price. Ooh, that's actually a nice one. I'm gonna write that one. Was the some wisdom. I dropped just some wisdom here. So here you can see the price that I see here. If it go, it's a go. But if it comes back down, I will sit behind this stop, go up. But I didn't add, because I told you when you're next to important levels, it may weak you out. It went up. I set my stop down here, but it had a slippage, so it got me out with loss. Here I was $70 something in positive. I think it's 1,000 something shares. Come on, bro. See, it just stops working for some reason. Anyway, okay, XPEV, and then what we had here was 400. I got in twice, 800 something. That's why it's negative, big negative, even on the spread. So here, what I did, look at this. Here is the breakout of the 2-2 continuation. We have on 5 minutes we have the break of LOD on 5 minutes. So here I got in again on the break of this one, and I got out here, which it was not the right place to get out. Here we have the wick, but that's not the right price. Right price is down here to go down out with this one. Then we have Pinterest, which I didn't touch. It was on the long list, but I didn't touch it because it didn't do what I wanted. Okay, INTZs, the garbage that in the morning I had lost with. So I had maybe like 4 mistakes today. 4 mistakes. I'm intending to INTZ was one of them. And then here, look at this. We have a 2 red, 1, 2. I was expecting the 2 bullish reversal, but well, apparently my hypothesis was wrong, and you can see why. So here, even if I did got in wrong, I would get out with loss. The next step to get in would be this. So to get out with 0, most probably. The next one would be here. So it wouldn't give. Eventually, when you try 3 times and the range is so small, it means that it's gonna go short. It means Hulk is holding. It's called holding. We talk about maybe. Let me explain you this. When and how ARS holds. Okay, so giving that one, it will be a good short, but I didn't get it anyway. So we get to 80 Activision shorted Activision a little bit late because I was in the other stock. I shorted it late. Well, it got me out with stop. The issue here that I don't know why I didn't get out here. I don't know why. Maybe I was thinking it's gonna come out and touch the fucking, then it's gonna drop, which it didn't, but it was a mistake. So here around here I had the alert set. When it breaks LOD, it broke LOD here, but I didn't like this one. I didn't like the way that it formed and it went back in again. So after this happened, obviously on the next step up here, I got in, I got out, and eventually it came down. But look at the size of this thing, 800. And you can see it kept dropping, and it's not in the magnitude. You still can hit it. You can still hit this thing. It was BTU. I didn't touch it. BTU was short. Okay, short bias. So here, one after this forms, here go in. Okay, and then going down here in, it would be the stop would be down here. The first high. Here we have it, and then it's 63 cents. With the stop based on the 20 cent stop that it's not even 20, 16 cent stop, it's 1,000 shares. Okay, we don't need to do that. 1,000 shares multiply 63 cents is 630. But anyhow, it was something that I could do. I didn't, but we could have, would have, should have. Huh? So here we have 100,000. I wish it was 100,000. We have 1,115. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks. XPIV is full negative. Snap is full negative. NEO is positive. INTC, which is the INTC, is a mistake. AMC is negative. ATAVI is negative. AMC positive. That's what I want to show you. A perspective of one minimum 1 to 2 profit is like that. On AMC in particular, this one was not to save my life, but I knew it's a long buy. I was long bias on AMC, and I was expecting this thing. It failed, came back up. I said, like, you know what? Give me the best price that you can give. And here, it gave me the doji. That's the best price that you can get. Okay, and then here it ripped, and then obviously I could just do better, but here the difference here, like I was in 2,000 shares, right? The difference between here and the place that I got in, 34 cents here, and 80 cents on 2,000 shares. It's 1,600 right there in front of you. Here in this trade, I saw 3,400, and I'm closing with 2,200. But so when you count all of the missed ones that I had and the ridiculous mistakes that I made on INTZ, it's $2, but I don't care. It happened. And the XPEV mistake, and NEO mistake, and this one, these are the 4 mistakes that I made today. But well, when you know what to do, you make it as you are making it. And we are closing today with 1,550. Well, it is people go before commission because it's bigger, but I'm a straightforward and honest trader, so it is 1,152 that goes to my pocket. It's net. All right, and that's about it. I'm done for today at 10:01 was done. I closed the stupid NEO with 0. Yeah, that's the last trade I knew. Yeah, here. Not 0, but
Neo me sacó. I get out.
you lost? Ah, you shorted it?
No, estaba en long. pero-
Oh, aquí? ¿Tú estaba aquí? ¿Y sí?
Ajá.
¿Esta cuál?
No,
¿Esta?
desde-
Okay, let's see. Bring yours.
Creo que hice unos cuantos errores yo también. I'm not in green today.
Amor, haz
hacer errores es para nosotros.